ki kubor ki babnya ka menteri ka bakmi ya tanak ka koi ka khia ikong amperin lengdo ne ka sngi laong ba ka pisa ka bayo ha ka bedai ba ka jingpang covid balapan sunu thu bakla ja ni lapendon kam bakla handai ya ka ni pisa 4 lapen lut bat shen an supply ya ka pisa kat kum ka jing pendap ya ki kam ki baladap mang ila ajubab ya ka ni hadian balami ka jingkelino MLA ka sang VPP na North Shillong ba Adelbert Nongrum halor ka RTI bala ujor da uba dispersing rani kaba ula kena balpanun kam bakla ya supply kelur tengka balamang nagabenta ka klam COVID-19 ha ka jela ikong lengdo ilai thu baha ka por jong ka klam COVID ka sarkar deng lang bakat na Ministry of Health and Family Welfare kelawan ra ya ka emergency COVID response package man a jeng kersyan ya ka jela man yakun persya ya ka klam haswai ka ni uba Adelbert ula betha ya ka sarkar jela ban pensai pajba halor ka jing jing sep jong pisa belayo na ka sarkar deng hakikam bayadai bat ka jing pang COVID-19 ha ka jela mi khalaya.
During the COVID pandemic period, Union of India, through Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, had come up with an emergency COVID response package to support the efforts of state in its efforts towards fighting COVID. The package was accorded to Meghalaya in 2 phases, viz. ECRP Phase 1, ECRP Phase 2. This was funded through the National Health Mission.